presentation, very nice projects.
So the students have done a great job. These models have helped them to understand science. I could see the model which could conserve water, and then the doorbell, smart doorbell, and all those things are helpful.
Okay, the overall exhibition was very good. Students they know how to use the updated technologies in the day-to-day life.
Yeah, it's a good initiative. Should keep, quite often you should keep doing that.
It was very nice. The explanations were very nice and they put a lot of efforts.